So, hello to all sailing friends and welcome to a new DIY video. I have done some unboxing videos about the joining Android stereo and also some videos about explanation and talking about the positive and negative issues on this adapter, especially compared to a Chartplotter. The Chartplotter cost a lot of money. This adapter cost not so much. I was last week on my boat and I began with the installation of the adapter, I installed the adapter already. And in this video I would like to show you directly on my boat what I have done and how I configured the adapter. I hope you enjoy it. So, just to show you, this is the old stereo. In the meantime, only this speaker is working. Okay. This one, nothing. And the speakers upstairs are also not working. Yeah. And only the speaker, and I think there are some contact errors. So I will change it with a new one and yeah, see what happens. And this is the chaos inside. So let me see what I can do. This is the old garbage. Finally I took this piece of shit out. Whew. But I took it with the adapter. It's okay. So I will put this back again inside. Yeah. First of all, to bend this correctly. Good. Good. Okay. Good. Now let's check the cables here. This cable salad. Oh la la la. Mamma mia. What the hell is this? Ooh. Shit. Scott. I will see the manual. And now, as you see, I am changing the position of this small adapters because otherwise it will not fit on my boat. I just plugged in the adapter now and yeah, now I try to see, because if you see here the cable are the chaos with the cables. I would like to see which cable is what and to find out so seems like the GPS is working. Okay, the speakers are working, but here we have a cable salad, really a cable salad. I don't like this. This is, I have to open it one time very good. Yeah, but here both speakers are working. I think I programmed everything. We have here whether online. I have here windy. Okay. Then I have here music. I have here navionics. Okay. Google Maps in case to see the area. Okay. Windy and weather online. Radio app. Bluetooth connection in case I have a box, and on the other side I have Bluetooth to use my telephone. This is very nice because I can connect my phone to this adapter to make calls and use my boat as a big speaker, and the microphone is here, and I can connect another microphone. This number one, and number two, in case I have some Bluetooth adapter box or something like that, I can connect it to this one. In the meantime, I don't have. No, here in this case, I connect my phone to the adapter, and I can play music from my phone to the adapter. It's nice, huh? This means you can connect this adapter to a Bluetooth speakers, or you can connect your phone to this adapter and play music from your phone on this adapter. So I'm now finished with the installation of this perfect adapter. I hope you enjoyed this video, and see you with the next video.